Have you ever faced a tough challenge that felt overwhelming or impossible at first? Can you recall a time when you received feedback or suggestions to improve a project or task? Have you seen someone experience a significant setback or failure in their personal pursuits? If so, how did you or the person you know overcome these challenges? What actions or approaches did you or they take to improve forward and achieve their goals? As we delve into these questions, let's acknowledge that our discussion will revolve around the concept of mindset. With that in mind, let's draw inspiration from the renowned psychologist Carol Dweck. But before we start, attention Luxo lovers! We want to take this opportunity to express our deep gratitude for your incredible support. Your unwavering presence has truly touched our hearts. Now, as you embark on this valuable video journey, we kindly request your support in the most fantastic way. Show us some love by hitting that like button, leaving a comment, and sharing this mind-blowing content with the world. Oh, buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride filled with exciting updates and captivating content. You are the heartbeat of Luxo-Life, and we can't wait to continue this incredible journey with you. Together, we'll create magic. Now let's embark on an enlightening journey by introducing the brilliant mind of Carol Dweck. Carol Dweck, a distinguished psychologist, has made significant contributions to our understanding of human potential and growth. Her groundbreaking research on mindset has reshaped our perspectives on achievement and personal development. As we dive deeper into Carol's teachings, we'll uncover the power of mindset in changing our approach to resilience, learning, and reaching our full potential. Get ready to be inspired and discover how adopting a growth mindset can transform our lives. Let's now begin by examining the benefits of adopting a growth mindset in various areas of life. Adopting a growth mindset brings numerous benefits across various areas of life. When individuals embrace a growth mindset, they open themselves up to a world of endless possibilities and personal growth. A growth mindset fosters a sense of curiosity, encouraging individuals to explore new ideas, perspectives, and experiences. It enables people to view difficulties as chances for growth and learning rather than insurmountable barriers. With a growth mindset, individuals are more likely to embrace learning opportunities, actively seeking out new knowledge, and develop a love for continuous improvement. Moreover, a growth mindset cultivates resilience, which is essential in navigating the ups and downs of life. Individuals with a growth mindset view setbacks and failures as temporary setbacks and valuable learning experiences. They're more likely to bounce back from setbacks, using them as stepping stones for future success. This resilience enables individuals to persevere in the face of obstacles, maintain a positive outlook, and keep moving forward towards their goals. By embracing a growth mindset, individuals become more willing to take on challenges. They are not deterred by the fear of failure or the possibility of making mistakes. Instead, they see challenges as opportunities for growth and development. This mindset encourages them to step out of their comfort zones, take risks, and push the boundaries of what they thought possible. As a result, individuals with a growth mindset are more likely to achieve higher levels of success and reach their full potential. Next, we must know that the role of mindset in fostering resilience, perseverance, and motivation is indeed crucial. Individuals who possess a growth mindset understand that setbacks and challenges are an inherent part of the learning and growth process. Rather than being discouraged or disheartened by failures, they see them as valuable opportunities for growth. This mindset allows them to bounce back stronger, armed with the lessons and insights gained from their experiences. Furthermore, a growth mindset fosters intrinsic motivation. Individuals with a growth mindset find fulfillment and satisfaction in the process of growth and improvement itself, rather than solely focusing on external outcomes or validation. They're driven by a genuine passion for learning, developing their skills, and achieving personal growth. This intrinsic motivation serves as a powerful fuel that propels them forward, even in the absence of external rewards or recognition. They're more likely to set challenging goals, persist in their efforts, and maintain a sense of determination and enthusiasm. Moving forward, it's true that mindset significantly affects learning, success, and achievement. People who adopt a growth mindset see education as a lifetime adventure and believe that hard work and devotion can help people improve their skills and intelligence. They have a thirst for knowledge and continuously seek opportunities to expand their understanding and skills. In the pursuit of learning, individuals with a growth mindset embrace challenges. Rather than shying away from difficult tasks, they see them as opportunities to stretch their capabilities and push beyond their comfort zones. They understand that challenges provide fertile ground for growth and development, and they tackle them with enthusiasm and determination. Persistence is another key characteristic of individuals with a growth mindset. They are aware that attaining success frequently necessitates perseverance and fortitude in the face of obstacles. Rather than being discouraged by obstacles, they view them as temporary roadblocks and remain steadfast in their pursuit of their goals. They demonstrate perseverance, refusing to give up easily and maintaining their focus even when faced with challenges or failures. This growth mindset empowers individuals to achieve higher levels of success. By embracing a belief in their capacity for growth and development, they're more likely to surpass their own expectations and overcome obstacles that may have deterred those with a fixed mindset. Their willingness to take on challenges, seek feedback, and persistently strive for improvement allows them to unlock their full potential and achieve their goals. Let's now explain the profound insights into the application of mindset principles in education, business, and personal relationships, shedding light on how mindset significantly influences these areas. In the realm of education, educators have the power to create environments that foster a growth mindset among students. By emphasizing the value of effort, praising progress rather than solely focusing on outcomes, and teaching students to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, educators can instill a belief in the power of personal development and learning. Turning to the business world, a growth mindset plays a crucial role in promoting innovation, adaptability, and a culture of continuous learning. Organizations that embrace a growth mindset encourage their employees to explore new ideas, take calculated risks, and view failures as valuable learning experiences. This mindset cultivates a workforce that's resilient, open to change, and continuously seeks ways to improve and innovate. In personal relationships, a growth mindset fosters empathy, understanding, and a belief in the capacity for personal growth and change. When individuals approach their relationships with a growth mindset, they recognize that challenges and conflicts can be opportunities for personal and relational development. They're more open to feedback, willing to learn from mistakes, and strive to foster a supportive and growth-oriented environment within their relationships. Our second to the last topic will be how to cultivate a growth mindset and overcome the limitations of a fixed mindset through the application of various strategies. One effective strategy is to reframe challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Instead of viewing challenges as obstacles, individuals can perceive them as chances to develop new skills, expand their capabilities, and gain valuable experiences. Embracing failures as learning experiences is another powerful strategy. Rather than fearing failure or becoming discouraged by it, individuals with a growth mindset understand that failures provide valuable lessons and insights. They approach failures with curiosity, analyze what went wrong, and use that knowledge to adjust their approach and improve in future endeavors. Seeking feedback and constructive criticism is crucial for personal growth and development. Individuals with a growth mindset actively seek input from others, whether it be mentors, colleagues, or trusted friends. They value different perspectives and use feedback as a tool for self-improvement. By being open to constructive criticism, they can identify areas for growth and make necessary adjustments to enhance their skills and performance. Setting realistic goals is another important strategy in cultivating a growth mindset. Individuals with a growth mindset set goals that are challenging yet attainable. They break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps, allowing for a sense of progress and accomplishment along the way. This approach helps to maintain motivation and prevent feelings of overwhelm or discouragement. Lastly, nurturing a belief in the ability to develop through effort and perseverance is vital. Embracing the idea that abilities can be developed with practice, dedication, and perseverance enables individuals to overcome self-limiting beliefs associated with a fixed mindset. By recognizing that improvement and growth are possible with sustained effort, individuals can approach challenges with a sense of optimism and determination. By employing these strategies, individuals can actively cultivate a growth mindset and overcome the limitations of a fixed mindset. These approaches promote continuous learning, resilience, and personal development, enabling individuals to unlock their full potential and achieve greater success in various areas of their lives. Lastly, let's delve into the implications of mindset for personal development and reaching one's full potential, revealing the transformative power that mindset holds. By embracing a growth mindset, individuals open themselves up to a world of possibilities and untapped potential. This mindset serves as a catalyst for personal development as it encourages individuals to continuously evolve, learn, and grow in all aspects of their lives. When individuals adopt a growth mindset, they're more likely to pursue their passions and follow their dreams. They are confident to leave their comfort zones and explore new possibilities because they understand that their abilities and skills can be developed with hard work and perseverance. With a growth mindset, individuals are empowered to take risks, explore different paths, and embrace new challenges that contribute to their personal growth. In conclusion, our exploration of Carol Dweck's concept of mindset and its implications has shed light on the transformative power of mindset in personal growth, learning, achievement, and relationships. The distinction between a growth mindset and a fixed mindset has shown us the significance of beliefs in shaping our abilities and potential. By cultivating a growth mindset, individuals can embrace challenges, view failures as opportunities for learning, seek feedback, set realistic goals, and nurture a belief in their capacity for growth. This mindset not only fosters resilience, perseverance, and motivation, but also unlocks untapped potential, promotes personal development, and enables individuals to reach higher goals of success and fulfillment. By understanding and embracing the power of mindset, we embark on a journey of continuous growth, realizing our true potential and leading more fulfilling lives. And that's a wrap, Luxo lovers. We hope you found this video on mindset insightful. If you enjoyed it and gained value from the content, support us by clicking the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing this video with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos and join our community of passionate learners. Your support means the world to us, and we appreciate you being an essential part of our Luxo lovers community. See you in the next video, Luxo lovers!